everybody doing? Today I'm actually going to teach you about making tempeh. I'm just going to do a basic tempeh recipe today. Just going to walk you through how you prepare it and show you how to cook it. It's going to be great. Stay tuned. So for the marinade, you need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sriracha, or your regular hot sauce will work too. Mine kind of just squirted everywhere, but that's okay. It went into the bowl, so I'm okay with that. You'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of any sweetener you like. I'm using agave today. I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon. And then you'll need half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. And that's your marinade. You'll go ahead and kind of mix that well to get it mixed together just like that. And next you will marinate your tempeh in this. And you can marinate it anywhere from an hour to overnight. I'm going to marinate mine probably overnight just because it's easy. And the longer it marinates, the better it'll taste. It'll absorb all the flavor. So we'll show you what it looks like tomorrow once it's marinated and we're ready to cook it. So this is our tempeh, that marinade that we made earlier. We're just going to go ahead and throw this in there. And then you just take a spoon or fork, whatever you got, and you'll just stir it around, making sure that every piece of that tempeh is coated nicely. If you like, you can put oil in your marinade. I chose not to today because when we cook it, we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan, and I think that'll do it. So now you got this marinated here, and or sauced as I call it. So we're going to leave this in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we'll actually cook it. And I'll show you how to cook it tomorrow. So here we have our tempeh that we're going to be cooking today. It's already been nicely marinated, as we said on yesterday. I marinated this overnight. You could do as little as an hour or 2. And we're just going to cook this up today. I'm just going to do your basic pan fry. And I'll show you how to do that when we come back. Okay, so now we're going to actually pan fry our tempeh. Here we have the pan nice and hot. I have put some water in there just to test the pan so that we know when it's hot, so it's ready. And you're just going to throw your tempeh cubes in there. And you'll want to make sure that they're all in one layer, single layer in the pan, just like this. I cook mine for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get it nice and crispy on all sides. But look at that beautifulness going on in there. We're going to just let this cook. And as I said, you'll want to make sure you turn it frequently just to get all the sides browned and cooked. And we'll come back when it's done and I'll show you the finished product. Alright? So here we have the finished product. It's nice and crispy and brown. Tempeh is a great source of protein. I love to use this in tacos, spaghetti. I love to eat it just like this on salads. It is so delicious, you guys. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. That's all we got for today's episode. Vegan Visionary. And we out of here! So I hope you enjoyed the video today. That's all I've got for you today. Tune in next week for another awesome dish. Or we might do some tips. I don't know. You guys let me know. Drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. I enjoyed it. I had so much fun today, you guys. Thank you so much for coming and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And definitely check us out for the next one. Vegan Visionary. And I'm out. Peace!